In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Tradingview time to 12-hour step by step. If the clock on your charts currently shows 24-hour, also called military time, and you'd rather see familiar AM and PM times, this quick walkthrough will get you there in under a minute. Start on your Tradingview dashboard or any open chart. Being on a chart layout is important because the change is saved with your layout. If you're signed in, Tradingview will remember this preference the next time you return. Look for the settings gear icon on the chart. It typically sits on the top toolbar or near the right side of the chart window. Click it to open the chart settings panel. You'll see several categories along the left side of this panel, each controlling a different part of your chart's appearance. Open the section labeled Scales and Lines. This is where Tradingview groups options that affect your price and time axes, as well as certain lines shown on the chart. Inside this section, find the option called Time Hours Format. This setting controls how hours are displayed across the time axis, along the bottom of your chart, and in certain tooltips. Click the Time Hours Format dropdown and select 12 hours. Choosing this option switches your timestamps to the 12-hour clock with AM and PM indicators, which many traders find easier to scan at a glance, especially during fast-moving sessions. Once you've made the selection, confirm by clicking OK to apply the change. Your chart should update immediately. Scan the timescale along the bottom, and you'll now see times like 9:30 a.m., 1:15 p.m., and so on. It's a small tweak that can make reading intraday moves more intuitive. A few tips before we wrap up. This change affects formatting only. It does not alter your time zone or the underlying market session times. If you work across multiple layouts, you may want to repeat this change in each layout once. On some devices or screen sizes, the settings icon may be tucked under a three-dot menu. It's the same panel once you open it. You can switch back to 24-hour at any time by returning to the same setting. This purely visual change won't impact indicators, alerts, or order placement. Occasionally, the layout needs a moment to refresh before the new format appears. That's all you need to switch Tradingview to a 12-hour display. Make this your default and spend less effort translating the clock and more energy on your analysis. Thanks for watching and happy charting.